Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another Google Earth Engine tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to explore one of the most important dataset of satellite available in Google Earth Engine, that is MODIS. MODIS means Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer, the powerful remote sensing sensor developed by NASA for observing Earth's atmosphere, land surface, ocean, vegetation, climate change, temperature, snow, fires, and many other environmental parameters. MODIS sensors are installed in two satellites, Terra satellite and Aqua satellite. Terra satellite is for morning observations. Aqua satellite is for afternoon observation. MODIS spatial resolution depend on its product. Range from 250 meters, higher detail product 500 meters than 1 kilometers. That means only 1 pixels of MODIS can represent 250 by 250 meters or 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer area on ground. MODIS has high revisit frequency, so its temporal resolution is very high. MODIS provide daily product, 8-day composite, 16-day composite, monthly product, and yearly product. About spectral resolutions, MODIS has 36 spectral bands. Now we will move into Google Earth Engine and explore MODIS product available in Earth Engine catalog. So here, if you will click on this search, you will hit browse catalog, and here there is a tab of MODIS. Hit this and all the MODIS product are available right over here. First of all, let's understand the product name. So if a product name is starting from MOD, that is a Terra product, and if a product starting from MYD, that is a Aqua product. And if a product starting from NCD, that is a combined product of Terra and Aqua satellites. Now let's see some important products. First of all, this is MOD, a Terra satellite vegetation continuous field annual product on 250 meters spatial resolution. And if I will hit this one, then this is saying this dataset has been replaced by this product. Just hit this one, and now this is the selection, and this is the detail that its spatial resolution is 250 meter. Minimum value is 0 and maximum is 100. So it's not NDVI, annual product of percent tree cover over all the world. Just copy this code and hit run. Now you will have the percent tree cover within this time range. So it's an annual product. The data availability of this product is from 2000 to 2025. And when this 2026 will be end, then another product will available over here. There is another product of NCD, combined Terra and Aqua product of yearly global 500 meter land cover type. If I will hit this product, and just this is the color coded value and description about it, just copy this one and paste it. So MODIS, the dataset actually range from 2000 to current dates. So this is land use, land cover from MODIS Aqua and Terra satellites. You can also add date filter. So it is using the band LC1 type. When I will go here, I will find LC1 type. So this is one LC type 1 class, LC type 1 class. And if I will hit on this gray color with inspector tool, then it is saying that the class type is 13. And if I will go to this table, on 13, you can see that it is for urban or built up lands. So these are the color coded values and with their description having separates band. And if I will hit on this red color, then it is saying that it is LC type 1 12. And if I will go over here for 12, it is cropland. So this is very easy interpretation on this dataset. So all these are very useful products according to your research or your domain. One of the most another important product is LST, land surface temperature. This product provide daily observations, and this product provide an average of 8-day composite of LST. If I will hit this product, over here you can see the pixel size is 1 kilometers, and this is the band name available in this dataset. Unit is in Kelvin, min and max values with scale factor this. Just copy this one and paste it over here, run. So this is land surface temperature within this time range from this dataset. There are many other products related to vegetations, and right over here this is MYD, a product of LST but from Aqua satellite. Afternoon observation. MOD, this is from Terra satellite. This one is from Aqua satellite. Again, this is a daily product, and this is 8-day average composite. Explore all these one by one. This is NDWI from MODIS. This is NDVI from Terra MODIS. This is Snow Index, and there are a lot of products available. I just covered the few important and guide you how to interpret in these values. So many thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.